Hi guys, welcome to Review Our YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video, I will review Script Auto. So watch video completely guys. Don't skip this video guys. If you are watching and first time in my channel, hit the like button, smash the subscribe also guys. Let's get started. Are you a content creator or ebook reader or ebook creator? Are you love with the content, how to create the content? This video for you guys. Because I will talk to you for this video guys. These 100% content creators need it for this tool guys. How? This watch video completely guys. Launch your fully fledged 100% unique online business with these 3 simple steps that powerful software. Alright, now we'll see guys. Step 1, first up this bad boy. Step 2, press the button. And step 3, sell 100% original unlimited readable content. And powerful intelligent software guys that will rewrite any piece of content. Just click and right the mouse, you will have 100% unique content and easy to use, turn any video into content, 100% copy escape fast and multiple streams of content. This amazing app is comfortable within both Mac and PC software guys. And content marketer are loving this guys because I have to say this looking amazing. My test result, I have copied an article well known the national, I give a written credit. My post get indexed after 3 minutes, 100% unique. I have to say this looking amazing. Updated. I did not a small change on my article is now listed as a 3-in-1 Google first page. 14.4 million result. I think we can play, this is the opportunity. Anyone is using this money site, I plan to use this PLR article. Because if you want unique content is either have to do this. Write the content yourself, hire a content writer, buy useless articles, spinner the product garbage and unreadable content. So this is the introducing of this product guys. Now you have the opportunity to become the lazy and still sell unlimited unique content. And my name is Terry. You love automation. You will see few years ago I found myself spending too much money hiring content writer for my niche site also. So I don't not want to spend hours of money of creating the time writing to condense myself. So what I did was the following since of my experting software developer. I set myself to create an extremely powerful piece of software that automatically create a unique rewritten content just by simple click the left button of my mouse. Yes, I know this the sound unbelievable, but trust me, the 100% real. Few movement included, I created a tool of myself. I used almost a year of the result. Simple, incredible talking about result to make a lot of money. Yes. You are all about to get access of exact article rewriting tool that you allow to sell this 100% copy escape fast content guys. That is the main point guys, 100% copy escape fast. So your content will be genuine, your content will be approved for this Google. So now you will see guys, you can just insert your keyword and auto script will create content relevant to your video automatically into the post of the your site. And tap into the both video frenzy and auto content marketing traffic and turn any video into 100% unique content with crazy low traffic. And no fees of paying content writer and no time to waste correcting mistake for writer, no need to waste of your hours of content writing yourself and no stress over the content writer running away from the money. So seriously there is nothing like this on this market right now guys. Not only in auto script, the best content generation tool hands down, all integrated with the creation software. It's also the ridiculously affordable solution. In fact it's so good, it's on a league of its own. Plus, I know I said this before, but it turns video into articles where have even been seen before. And forget about wasting hours of writing the perfect article of wasting money and super content, auto script in the past best of the both words. So 100% unique, perfectly readable, engaging article. So SEO optimized with the push and button. Guys, logical question guys, who can use this tool guys? This is simple. Any internet marketer who want to lazy people to second of using the monetizing video. And lazy people to second of using the monetizing video and lazy people who want to 100% unique content push it button and SEO enthusiast and anyone want to save the money of the time the while not sacrificing any qualifying. This affiliate marketer and website owners. Look at this, not doesn't matter guys who are the just what you are doing. If you want to finally sell your article to never get penalized of duplicate content and auto script is for you. So just look for everything that's inside guys. Full-fledged content created under $97 value and push button of 100% unique article for $97 value and transform any video into the amazing article of $197 value. This automatic video creator and paste and poster $297 value. Plus this ton of more guys. So integrated copy escape checker, multiple SEO optimization, spin text ready, 100% readable content, newbie friendly and easiest way to generate article and 100% SEO friendly content, guys. And got you interest, click the add content button below to get to access this. That's it for this video, guys. I hope each and every step I will explain in this video, guys. This also provide for this at $1,187 worth of value absolutely free, guys. You will pay only for this very cheap price, guys. That's it for this video today, guys. Definitely this product really worthwhile of this entrepreneur, marketer, digital marketer. Anyone can do this for this method, and making money is passively, guys. I hope each and every step I will explain in this video, guys. If you need any doubt or any clarification, ask me in the comment section, and I will give the link in the description below. You will check it out for this official website and watch this presentation video also, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.